Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change Snapchat username on iPhone. But firstly, you have to create a Snapchat account and type in your username, but you cannot change it again unless you delete your account and create a new one. However, you can customize and change as often as you want your display name. This section gives you the freedom to create something uniquely recognizable so that other users will know that it's you. And guys, here's how to change your Snapchat display name on mobile. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step, you have to open your Snapchat app, then go to My Profile. It's on the top left in the corner, and click on the setting wheel icon on the top right in the corner. After that, click on name to remove, edit, or write a new display name. And I'm gonna erase that to change my old name. Once you've entered your new display name, tap save. And finally, everyone will see it on your profile. However, if they have your contact saved under your old name, they have to edit your contact and save it under the new one. Well guys, that's it. I'll see you soon and good luck.